Hey guys, it's Dean Graziosi. Welcome to the Weekly Wisdom. First of all, thanks so much for all the awesome comments last week of the Weekly Wisdom where I had my son Brody on. He loved watching. I read him some of the comments. I think he's going to take over the family business sooner than I thought. If you didn't see it, you could click on this side over here, the weekly blogs, I think they're called over here, and watch them. If not, if you're new to the site, welcome. Watch a whole bunch of them. Read all the wonderful people and stories and success and questions and answers right here at this site. So much free wisdom and capabilities to get you in the game and make sure you don't miss it. Okay, last weekend, or 2 weekends ago, Matt and I did a small private mastermind. I don't think I'm ever going to do those again. It was really awesome. Small group of people. If you're watching and you were there, thank you. You guys were fantastic. I know all of you are going to do amazing. Hey, everybody watching is going to do amazing. But anyway, Matt Larsen, I talk about Matt all the time because now he moved here. He's my top student. If this is the first time you're watching, he's doing insanely well, over 1,400 deals. We're doing a lot of deals together. Him and I brainstorm about how we can educate you and teach you every single day. Literally, we go to the gym together every day at 5:30. We eat lunch together most days. And all we do is talk about real estate, all the things we're doing and what we can do for you. Well, him and I have been talking about the shift in the market. And he put it down on a whiteboard at this group. And I want to do it for you really fast. So the market, I want you to understand this. The market goes up and down, right? You've seen this diagram with me before. Down at the bottom, right, the market was like this. It dips. Down at the bottom, I want to circle this right here. As the market turns, people in this area, buying in here from the bottom, going up a little. If you live in Las Vegas or in Phoenix or in Florida or in Southern California, you live in a lot of areas, you've already bounced and you're screaming back up, right? Which is amazing. Don't be fearful of that. But if people who buy in here, when the market crashes and everybody says it's crazy, smart cash flow investors buy here. This is a very logical purchase. Okay? This is cash flow buyers' logical purchases. Okay? So they want an ROI. They're buying, so when they invest their money, are they getting 10, 11, 12, 14, 18, 20% cash on cash return investment? So this is for wholesalers because everybody watching should be wholesaling. So if you're in an area and you can put on your buyer's list cash flow landlords who want more rental income, this is what we sell them. But the market in some areas has shifted. And these buyers up in here, as this progresses and the market goes up, are more of speculators. I can't spell. And it's more emotional. This is just my terms. It's more of an emotional purchase, and they're speculating because they're expecting to buy this property at $100K, and they're going to hold it till it goes to $125 or more. Sorry, I'm so sloppy. I want to do this really quick. The reason I'm sharing this with you is because you got to understand the mindset. If you're a wholesaler and you're doing amazing selling to cash flow people, but all of a sudden you're starting to hear because you're in here and people are saying, wow, that guy was crazy paying that much, or it's sold too quick, or there's multiple offers. That's not a bad thing. You just got to get different buyers on your list. If your area went out of the cash flow buyers, then what you got to do is find speculators and emotional buyers. And guess what? There's just as a big pool of speculators as there are cash flow buyers, if not more. And some of these cash flow buyers will flip. They wanted to keep as many as they could down here while they got a great ROI. But now that we got so many years of growth coming, they want to get in so they could flip in 2, 3, 4 years speculating and make money. Does that make sense? Not only do you have to shift your mindset to get involved in real estate, you got to understand when this shift happens. This is something that you have never seen anyplace else. This is fantastic information for you to know, for you to understand, and be ahead of everybody who does this. So this is cool stuff. This is the kind of stuff we usually keep for our high-level masterminds because it takes a while to explain. Not that we hold back a lot from you guys, but this is really profound thinking and profound thoughts of where we're going. So remember, cash flow could be great, and where you live, you might get this for another 1, 2, 3 years. But if you're an area that's booming, you just got to flow over and find speculators, put them on your buyer's list, and get rocking. I'll talk to you next week.